Google just quietly rebuilt the way you make videos, take notes, and write emails, all with AI. And most people watching this have no idea it happened yet. Four separate Gemini updates dropped, and each one on its own is big, but stacked together, they change how you actually work every single day. Let's get into it. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Let's start with the biggest one, because this is the update that changes how content actually gets made. Google gave Gemini Omni, its AI video tool inside Google Vids, the power to use your own face. Not a stock avatar, not a cartoon character standing in for you, your actual likeness, captured through a secure verification step, then turned into a character you can use inside AI-generated videos. Here's how it works in plain terms. You record your face one time through a process built to confirm it's really you. After that one step, Gemini can generate brand new videos with you appearing in them, saying whatever you type out for it. You don't need a camera rolling, you don't need a studio, you don't even need to be anywhere near the room when the video actually gets made. Here's the part that makes this click for anyone who isn't technical. Google also added a way to direct your avatar using plain text in brackets. You type something like excitedly in square brackets, and your avatar shifts its tone and energy to match, right there in the generated clip. Picture handing an actor a script with stage directions written in the margin, except this actor is a digital version of you and it follows the direction instantly every single time without needing a second take. So say you wanted to send out a short update about something new happening in your business. You could feed Gemini the update, add where you want authority and where you want warmth, and get a polished video announcement without filming a single second of footage yourself. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now let's move to the second big change. And this one is quieter, but it matters just as much long term. Google renamed Notebook LM. It's now called Gemini Notebook. That might sound like a small cosmetic change. It isn't. Notebook LM was Google's research tool built to read your documents and answer questions directly from them. The rename is a signal. Google wants this tool doing more across every other Google product, not sitting off to the side as its own separate app that most people forget even exists. Think of it like this. Notebook LM used to be one closed-off room in a house. Gemini Notebook is Google knocking down the wall so that room connects to every other room you actually spend time in. That means the tool built to read your files and answer questions about them is about to show up in far more places, connected to more of your everyday work, without forcing you to open a separate app just to do research. If you manage a business, a community, or a growing library of guides, transcripts, and notes, this is the kind of update that saves real, measurable time. You upload your documents once, and Gemini Notebook can answer questions about all of them instead of you digging through folders by hand. Say every past call or meeting you've ever run got saved as a transcript in one place. Gemini Notebook could scan every single one of those transcripts and instantly answer a question like, "What did we cover about this topic last month?" without you rewatching a single call or scrolling back through old notes trying to remember where you said it. Now here's the third update, and this one touches something almost everyone uses daily without thinking twice about it: Gmail. Google upgraded Help Me Write. Before this update, you'd get one AI drafted email, and if you didn't love it, you basically had to start over from scratch and hope the next version was better. Now, you can edit that same draft using a prompt bar sitting right there inside the email. You type a follow-up instruction and the draft updates instantly without losing what was already good about it. You could type "make this shorter," Gemini shortens it. You could type "make this sound more direct," Gemini rewrites the tone while keeping the same message intact. You keep refining one draft instead of throwing it out and writing 5 separate versions from nothing every single time. Picture this scenario. You're replying to a customer question about how something in your business actually works, what's included, and how people get support. Gemini drafts the first reply, you type "make it warmer," and it adjusts the tone. You type "add a clear next step" at the end, and it adds one. 2 follow-up prompts. And the email is finished without you rewriting a single sentence yourself. That's the kind of small change that doesn't sound huge on paper, but saves you real time every single day once you actually start using it. There's a fourth update worth knowing about too. Google expanded Gemini's writing tools inside Google Docs to 11 more languages, including Mandarin, Dutch, Polish, and Turkish. If you run a business with customers or community members who speak more than one language, that's not a minor detail. You draft content once in Docs, and Gemini can now help you write and edit it across far more languages than it could before, which used to mean hiring a translator or copying text into a separate tool just to check it. And Google is testing higher limits for Gemini, generating full multi-slide presentations inside Google Slides in one pass. That means you describe what you want the presentation to say, and Gemini builds several finished slides at once instead of you creating one slide, then the next by hand, clicking through the same formatting steps every single time. Now, here's the bigger pattern behind all 4 of these updates. Google isn't building one clever chatbot anymore. Google is placing a working version of Gemini inside every single tool you already open during your normal day. Google didn't announce one giant new model this time. It shipped 4 smaller updates that all point in the exact same direction. AI isn't a separate app you open on its own anymore. It's becoming part of every single tool you already use, quietly handling the parts that used to take you the longest. So, what should you actually do with all this? Start with whichever one actually touches your daily work the most. If you send emails all day, go try the new Gmail prompt bar on your next reply and see how much faster it is to refine instead of rewrite from nothing. If you're sitting on a pile of documents, transcripts, or notes you never go back through, that's exactly what Gemini Notebook was built to fix, and it's probably been sitting there this whole time waiting for you to actually use it. And if you've been putting off making videos because you don't want to be on camera every single time, or you don't have the time to set up a full recording session, Gemini Omni just removed that excuse entirely. None of these updates are flashy on their own, but stacked together, they're Google quietly rebuilding how you're going to work for the rest of this year, whether you notice it happening or not. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.